In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable cookies in Yahoo Mail on iPhone. This is an important process, as cookies are essential for some features and help maintain your signed-in status. By enabling cookies, you enhance your user experience. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. The Settings app is where you can adjust various configurations for your device. You will see a gray gear icon on your home screen. Tapping this icon brings you to a list of options that control everything from your Wi-Fi to your privacy settings. This step is crucial because it allows you access to all the necessary settings for your apps, including your browser settings, which is where we will be heading next. Now, scroll down and tap Safari. Safari is the default web browser for your iPhone, and it is where most users access Yahoo Mail. As you scroll, you will notice various options related to Safari. Tapping on this option takes you into the Safari settings where you can modify how the browser handles cookies. This step is significant because it directly influences how Yahoo Mail functions on your device. Next, tap Advanced. The Advanced section is where you can fine-tune the settings for Safari. Here you will find additional options that are not visible in the main Safari menu. This area may seem a bit more technical, but it is straightforward to navigate. Finding the advanced settings is essential since this is where you will make the changes required to enable cookies for Yahoo Mail. Now, turn off Block All Cookies. You will see a toggle switch next to this option. When it is enabled, Safari blocks all cookies, which can hinder your experience with Yahoo Mail. By turning this off, you allow the browser to accept cookies from websites, including Yahoo. This little step saves you a lot of time later, as it prevents potential issues with logging in or using specific features within your email. After that, close and reopen Safari or the Yahoo Mail app. This final step ensures that the changes you made take effect. Closing and reopening the app refreshes the session, allowing cookies to function correctly. Once you do this, you should be able to access Yahoo Mail without any interruptions related to cookies. This reassures you that your adjustments have been successfully applied. Now you are all set. You have enabled cookies for Yahoo Mail on your iPhone. This simple process enhances your overall experience, ensuring that you stay logged in and can use all the features of Yahoo Mail. Thank you for watching and enjoy your seamless email experience.